Life, Unbounded Unyear, So Much Science. Here's the second of 3 spectacular, but less widely seen images from the near and far universe. Credit NASA, JPL, Caltech, Univ of Arizona. Advertisement. Since 2006, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter MRO has been sending a steady flood of imagery back to Earth, mapping and tracking the Martian surface in stunning detail. Its HiRISE camera consists of a 0.5-meter diameter reflecting telescope and sensors that can return images of up to 800 megapixels. But sometimes you just need to pause and recalibrate, since over time the efficiency of the camera's doped silicon detectors can shift, and brightness and color sensitivities change. And what better calibrator in space than the well-known reflectivity of the Earth's moon? This HiRISE image, a combination of 3 color bands, shows the Earth and Moon in serene repose, from a distance of 205 million kilometers as MRO orbited another world. You can just make out the whiteness of Antarctica and the continent of Australia, from Mars. Although strictly speaking the data was obtained in 2016, it got released properly in January 2017. Credit NASA, JPL, Caltech, Univ of Arizona. The views expressed are those of the authors and are not necessarily those of Scientific American. Rights permissions. Caleb A. Scharf, Dr. Caleb A. Scharf is Director of Astrobiology at Columbia University, and has an international reputation as a research astrophysicist, and NASA lecturer to college and public audiences. The UK's Guardian newspaper has listed his blog Life, Unbounded, as one of their hottest science blogs, while an editor at Seed magazine called it phenomenal, informed, fresh, and thoughtful. Scharf is author and co-author of more than 100 scientific research articles in astronomy and astrophysics. His work has been featured in publications such as New Scientist, Scientific American, Science News, Cosmos Magazine, Physics Today, and National Geographic, as well as at sites like Space.com and Phys.org.com. His textbook for undergraduate and graduate students, Extrasolar Planets and Astrobiology, won the 2012 Chambliss Prize of the AAS. His articles and reviews have appeared in such prestigious publications as Science, Nature, the Astrophysical Journal, and monthly notices of their Royal Astronomical Society. Dr. Scharf is a regular keynote speaker at academic meetings, such as for the American Physical Society, museums, and both public and private venues, including the American Museum of Natural History, the Rubin Museum of Art in New York. He has been a guest on Krulwich on Science AT&NPR, William Shatner's Weird What, and has served as a consultant to editors and producers at National Geographic Magazine, the Science Channel, the Discovery Channel, and the New York Times. Advertisement. Neuroscience, evolution, health, chemistry, physics, technology. Subscribe now. 3 cosmic images from 2017. No. 1 year, So Much Science. Here's the second of 3 spectacular, but less widely seen images from the near and far universe.